Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. met with Chinese President Xi Jinping on Saturday on the sidelines of Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation or APEC. Marcos met with the Chinese leader seeking ways to come up with measures to reduce tensions in the South China Sea and restore Filipino fishermen's access to fishing grounds. Marcos spoke to reporters on the sidelines of the APEC summit in San Francisco. He said that the Philippines and China need to continue to communicate, with the meeting a key part of the process to maintain peace and keep open sea lanes and airways over the South China Sea. Marcos did not elaborate much on the discussions. He simply said that the two leaders tried to come up with mechanisms to lower the tensions in the South China Sea. He said that he voiced concern over incidents between Chinese and Philippine vessels, including one collision. He also raised the plight of Filipino fishermen. Filipino fishermen have reportedly complained that Chinese Coast Guard and maritime militia ships are preventing them from fishing in parts of the Philippines' 200-mile exclusive economic zone. Marcos said that he and Xi Jinping agreed that geopolitical problems should not be the defining element of the two countries' relationship. Since taking office in 2022, Marcos has pursued warmer ties with the United States, a treaty ally, in contrast with the pro-Beijing stance of his predecessor. Marcos granted the United States greater access to its military bases, including in provinces facing the South China Sea and democratically ruled Taiwan, drawing the ire of Beijing. Tensions in the region, where China has built man-made islands with missiles and airstrips, have increased this year. China claims almost the entire South China Sea, ignoring a 2016 ruling by the Permanent Court of Arbitration that invalidated Beijing's expansive claim.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.